In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a custom personalized mug for somebody that you do business with. Have you ever wanted to create something personal, meaningful, and unforgettable for your clients, friends, or even your teammates? Well, today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to design and send custom mugs using Mailbox Power. Whether you want to celebrate a birthday, say thank you, a nice to meet you, or just to get somebody's attention or your brand in their hands, literally, a mug is one of the best ways to leave a lasting impression. Stick with me because I'm going to walk you through how to create a mug step by step, add your own personal touch, and have it shipped straight to their door without ever leaving your office. So what you would do is you would log into your Mailbox Power account, go over to Design Templates, and you're going to find these mugs in the templates. I'm loving this mug right here where it says this guy is awesome with the arrow pointing up. So what you would do is you would click on that and then personalized design, click it on again. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to add your client's name to this mug. So what you would do is you'd go over to the text, click on that, and you can see here where you add a text box. We'll just put my husband's name on this mug. You can move it down to the bottom. I don't like that font, so I'm going to change it really quick. I love this Ask Why one. I'm going to make it a little bigger. And you can see now it's customized or personalized with your client's name on it. Preview, let me show you what it looks like. Just like that. This cup is ready to be sent. All you would do is save it, go to your saved projects, add it to your shopping cart, and check out. So let me show you a few other mugs that are available. There's lots of different mugs. These are just a few that say you're awesome on it. So there's this one, Be Awesome Today. There's this one here, Thanks for Being Awesome, or You're Awesome. And there's even this orange one down here that says You're Awesome with your client's name on it. I love this orange one here too, because there's a greeting card that matches it. That would make a great gift for someone. But take notice, I'm going to actually click on this. Take notice here on this mug where it says bracket, bracket, first name, bracket, bracket. Mailbox Power uses merge fields to make it easy for you to gift to multiple people. So you basically, it's like setting up a shopping cart like one time with this mug in it, but you need it to go out to, let's say, a dozen people. It is so easy to do. Basically, like I said, you just set it up one time. And then with the merge field, when you go to checkout, with all the names that you're having it sent to, it's going to pull from that first name of the contact and put the name of that person right here without you even having to go in and put the names on all of the mugs. That's one of the great things about Mailbox Power and their gifting platform is because they make it so easy to personalize everything that you send out. So in closing, I want you to know something else that I love. If you're an executive member with Mailbox Power, you actually get 5 free mugs every single month. That's right, 5. Imagine sending out branded mugs, thank you gifts, or even fun surprises without paying the extra. Plus, if you're not already a Mailbox Power user, you can use my special link and code below to get started with a great discount. Just check out the description in this video for the links and let me know if you have any questions. I would love to help you get set up and start gifting like a pro. And I'm going to leave another link in there because I just published a LinkedIn article about 10 different ways that you could use a mug to grow your business. So like I said, if you have any questions or comments or concerns, leave them in the comments and I will be sure to reply to them. Thanks for watching.